Hi, it's JoElla Milan, licensed esthetician, and I want to talk to you about one of my favorite products today, the Viktoria Peptide Pad. I use this every day, I swear by it. You know, I've been online for so many years, and I talk to you about products that work. I don't get paid by the product lines, and I only talk about what works, and especially as you age. You know, there's so many, I call them foo-foo products out there. They sound good, they smell good, whatever. They don't work, you know. And some of them are just so expensive, and I feel that that's very unnecessary. So with this Peptide Pad, this one is designed as you get older. You know, some of our natural fat pad areas start breaking down, the cheeks, under the eyes, the nasolabial areas. You know, you start seeing, and the lines around the mouth, you start seeing a difference, and that's just part of aging. So the whole Viktoria Deanne line is peptide based, and they work under the skin and really help you with your own, they work with your own amino acids and help you create your own peptides. So the results are just amazing. And with this one, aside from my other products that, you know, if you go on my website, I've got a video on all of them. If you go on my YouTube channel, I've got a video on all the Viktoria Deanne products. But I was going to talk to you about this today only from different conversations that I get with some of my clients that with problems that they're experiencing. And with the Viktoria Deanne products, you do apply them one at a time, so you get the benefits of each individual product on the skin. The Peptide Pad, you know, we suggest you could put it under the eyes or anywhere that you, or the cheek area, around the mouth, anywhere that you feel that your skin is thinning or the natural fat pad area is thinning and just starts looking older, you get that hollow under the eyes. Well, what I do with this, I put this all over my face. And, you know, I was thinking about that this morning. I just put it on. I go everywhere with it. You know, I go all over the place with it. And it works. You know, I mean, I'm just so tight. And I don't use Botox. I don't use fillers. I'm not into that. If you want to use them, fine. But I'm not into that because I feel like if there's some time in your life you're going to pay the price for using it. But, you know, so I don't believe in that. I just like to use products that improve my skin. And this is one of them. You know, I've got certain areas, which I've talked about before, a couple of little wrinkles here from when my cat was sick, that if I don't stay on top of these wrinkles here, they show. But between the other products and the Peptide Pad and even their Peptide Hyaluronic Acid, my wrinkles don't show. You know, they'll stay away as long as I use these products. So I want to pass that along to you. So just try putting it all over your face and see the difference. Around the mouth, all of that. And you know, when you talk about losing tone in that, it's because the collagen's breaking down. And this is going to help you with that. So I'm easy to reach. Call me on my toll-free number. Or you can go to my website. With the Viktoria Deanne products, you do have to get a hold of me before you could purchase if you're not one of my customers, as that's the requirement. You'll see that when you go to my website. But just get a hold of me, call me, or you can send me a message at the right-hand bottom of my website. I'm easy to get a hold of, and I really look forward to talking to you. Thank you. Bye.